Okay, so I have my YouTube page up on my laptop right now, and I'm going through the process of converting some of my thumbnails to make them look better. I've done a lot of them, like these ones with the white background. That one's done, this one's done. These are stories, so I'll go back and change those later. But not stories, but short YouTube shorts. Stories are on Instagram. So I changed that one. I need to work on changing this one. I changed that one. So like I said, you can tell the ones with the better background, and then I wanted to leave a couple of them up so that you can see. This one, I changed this background, but it's not showing yet, so it takes a little bit longer. I've noticed now that my page is monetized, it takes longer for them to let my stuff upload. I guess it's going through more checks or whatever. I don't know. That's my theory. That don't mean that's a true statement. But I just noticed since I've become monetized, it takes longer to upload. So I try not to upload late at night. That's when I have a lot of free time. But it just takes so long because if I'm uploading, I like to look at the video before other people view it. It's just my thing, just in case if there's any discrepancies or anything, I can take it down or fix it. So anyway, back to these thumbnails. So like that one, and then I just added words. This one is one of my old ones. These ones are changed. That's one of my old ones. I'm gonna probably change that tomorrow. But do you see this? I made this, and I can't think of the name, but just a really standard app. And I thought in my head, oh, this is gonna come out cute. But you can really tell the difference. Let me get closer. You can tell the difference between even from to this one. I just love these so much, and I feel like me doing these thumbnails and really investing is going to bring and draw more people to my page, resulting in more engagement, more subscription, more views, and ultimately more money. All right, guys. I'll be back with a little bit more later.